Let's learn the English alphabet, A to Z, slowly and clearly.
A for apple, A apple. B for ball, B ball. C for cat, C cat. D for dog, D dog. E for elephant, E elephant. F for fish, F fish. G for goat, G goat. H for hen, H hen. I for ice, I ice. J for jug, J jug. K for kite, K kite. L for lion, L lion. M for mango, M mango. N for nest, N nest. O for orange, O orange. P for pen, P pen. Q for queen, Q queen. R for rabbit, R rabbit. S for sun, S sun. T for tree, T tree. U for umbrella, U umbrella. V for van, V van. W for watch, W watch. X for xylophone, X xylophone. Y for yuck, E yuck. Z for zebra, Z zebra.
You learned the English alphabet, A to Z. Well done!